जी बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। Welcome back to my channel Learn and Grow with Faraz. First of all, before starting this video, let me tell you that if you have not yet subscribed my channel, you are requested to please go to the subscription button and do subscribe my channel. ओके जी। आज हम क्या पढ़ने लगे हैं? वी आर गोइंग टू टुवर्ड्स आवर चैप्टर नंबर 2 और यू कैन से लेक्चर नंबर 2, फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट एनालिसिस. We are going to analyze the financial statements in this lecture. As you know, there are basically three financial statements, which are balance sheet, income statement, and statement of cash flow. So we will analyze these three statements one by one. I will keep on reading from this book and then I will keep on explaining you in my own way. So if you have not watched the previous videos of business finance, you can go to the playlist. From the playlist, you can see different videos which are previous to these one. It will be beneficial for you to easily understand these things. So if you have not watched the videos previously, you should better go to the previous videos in the playlist, and from that playlist you can watch those videos. Financial statement analysis. Basically, financial statement analysis, every year a company will release its annual report. This is a tradition that every year companies basically release their financial reports. Okay, company release their financial reports, their annual reports. In addition to the information relating to performance and activities of the firm over the previous year, annual report presents three financial statements. Basically, the these three statements, they are actually discussed and presented in the annual report of the company. Different activities, what is the performance of the firm, these are all discussed in the annual report. And the three statements, which are statement of financial position, the balance sheet, the income statement, and statement of cash flow, they are actually discussed in the annual meeting. Who reads the annual reports and why? uh, the person who is actually interested, which are or who are those persons who are interested in reading those reports? Let's see. Investors, definitely. Corporate governance information on how the company is being run and its performance. For investors, they actually want to know, the primary purpose of investors to read the annual report is that how the company is being run, how the company is being governed. So investors are the readers. Then agency relationships, type 1 agency relationships and type 2 agency relationships. Type 1 agency relationship means shareholders and the management. They are actually the included in the readership of the annual reports. Type 1 agency relationship is basically the relationship between the shareholders and the management of the company. This is an agency theory. It is covered in the previous lectures. If you want to know about type 1 agency relationship, what is this, you can go to the previous lectures. Then type 2 agency relationship. Type 2 agency relationship is between dominant or controlling shareholders and the dominant and the less dominant shareholders, or you can say controlling shareholders and the like the shareholders who have less share in the company. So the relationship between these two is type 2 agency relationship. Uh, if you are not clear about this concept, you can go to the previous videos. From there, you can watch the lecture of agency 2 relationship. Okay. Then suppliers. Suppliers are mostly interested in short-term solvency, like how the firm is fulfilling its short-term obligations, like short-term, like payment to the suppliers. Company is good in paying to its suppliers or not. Then lenders, long-term solvency. Lenders, the person who actually lend money to the company, they are also interested in reading the annual report. Then potential investors, they are interested in performance and growth potential of the company by reading the annual reports. Then analysts or advisors, they actually want to know about the performance, about the solvency, about the growth and the risk associated with the company. And then competitor, they actually read the annual reports of the competitive firms to see the trends in the performance. So they are basically the one who read the annual report of the company. Okay, then statement of financial position or balance sheet. We are going to discuss about, read about balance sheet or the statement of financial position. The second name of balance sheet is statement of financial position. I think I should keep my second lecture. I should devote my second lecture to the statement of financial position. Let me finish my this lecture here. Before finishing the lecture, let me tell you that these videos will be helpful for you if you go to the playlist and watch all the videos. You are requested, if you are student or if you want to enhance your knowledge of business finance, these videos will be helpful for you. Believe me, and I am doing extra effort in order to record those videos. And how do I record my videos? Let me also tell you. I have an app installed in my laptop which is called Zoom. So I go to the Zoom. From there, I arrange a new meeting and then share the screen. When I share the screen, I go to my book, and the screen of my book is actually shared on the Zoom app. And after sharing that, I actually make videos for you. So you are requested to subscribe my channel, try to spread my channel with other people, with other interested people who are interested to gain the knowledge of business finance. Or if you are student, then definitely these videos will be definitely helpful for you. So let me complete my video. Inshallah, I will see you in the next video with the statement of financial position or balance sheet.